So all of the knobs are pretty well ruined anyway, and they're 2 inches in diameter. I need 2.5 inches. So I have a piece of beech wood, I believe. It was off of an old chair. And what I've done was I did a 2.5 inch diameter hole here, and then I drilled straight through, and I cut the knob pretty well where the guts were just taken off of it. So that way I can add a new piece here. At the same time, I made a smaller circumference hole on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this knob down to here, run a screw through it, and then once the glue dries, I'm going to take it on the lathe and turn it down to the 2 inch or 2.5 on this side, and I'll make I'll make some kind of little design to where it looks nice. So I think that'll work, hopefully. And we'll probably have to cut it down just a little bit. So that's gonna work.